Advanced Encryption Standard, AES, Cipher. Welcome everyone. Today I will explain the Advanced Encryption Standard, or AES, one of the most important encryption techniques used in modern cybersecurity. AES is widely trusted for securing sensitive data in government, business, and personal communication. Presentation Overview. In this presentation, we will look at what AES is, how it originated, how its internal structure works, how encryption happens step by step, and why AES is considered so secure and efficient. Finally, we'll explore its real-world applications. The birth of AES intro. To understand AES, let's go back to why it was created. AES was developed to replace the older DES algorithm, which had become vulnerable due to its small key size. A global competition was launched to find a stronger and faster encryption standard. 1997 NIST call for proposals. In 1997, NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, announced an international competition. Their goal was to find a new encryption standard capable of protecting data well into the future. 1998 Algorithm Submissions. In 1998, 15 different algorithms were submitted by experts from around the world. Each team proposed designs that promised strong security and fast performance. 2000 Rijndael's selection. After multiple rounds of analysis and testing, the Rijndael algorithm, created by Belgian cryptographers John Damon and Vincent Rijman, was selected. It stood out for its strong mathematical design and efficiency in both hardware and software. 2001 AES standardized. Finally, in 2001, Rijndael was officially published as FIPS 197, becoming the advanced encryption standard. The NSA also approved AES for protecting top-secret information, which shows its level of strength. AES structure, block size and keys. AES works on fixed blocks of 128 bits. These bits are arranged into a 4x4 matrix called the state. AES supports three key sizes: 128 bits, 192 bits, and 256 bits, corresponding to 10, 12, and 14 rounds of encryption. Unlike this, AES is not a Feastel cipher. Instead, it uses a substitution permutation network, which provides strong confusion and diffusion. 4 main transformations. Each AES round uses 4 main operations. 1. Subbytes a nonlinear substitution using an S-box, which adds confusion. 2. Shift rows cyclic shifting of each row, spreading bytes across the matrix. 3. Mix columns a mathematical mixing of each column for diffusion. 4. Add round key XORing the state with a round key derived from the main key. Together, these operations transform plaintext into secure ciphertext. Key expansion, round keys. The original key isn't used directly in every round. Instead, AES performs key expansion, generating multiple round keys from the main key. This process uses byte rotations, S-box substitutions, and round constants. Having unique keys for each round enhances security and prevents attackers from reversing the cipher easily. This slide shows how plaintext is converted into ciphertext during AES encryption. We start with the plaintext, which first undergoes the initial add round key step. It then moves through several main rounds, where key operations strengthen security. Finally, in the final round, the data becomes fully encrypted, producing the ciphertext. This entire process ensures secure and protected communication. Why AES is secure and efficient? AES remains secure due to its resistance to known cryptanalytic attacks such as differential and linear analysis. Its large key space makes brute force attacks practically impossible. AES is also extremely efficient, running well on everything from small embedded devices to high-performance servers. Its approval by the NSA further confirms its reliability. Real-world applications. AES plays a major role in everyday cybersecurity. It secures websites through SSL and TLS protocols. It protects VPN connections, encrypts data on hard drives, and secures wireless networks through WPA2 and WPA3. AES is also essential in cloud computing, digital certificates, and many authentication systems we use daily. Conclusion. In conclusion, AES is the gold standard for symmetric encryption. It combines strong mathematical foundations with excellent performance, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Understanding AES helps us appreciate the cryptographic systems that protect our digital world. If you want to explore AES further, you can try interactive tools that visualize the transformations step by step or experiment with small encryption demos. Thank you.